Communication is the key. I can't say that enough. I really believe, I'm starting to really believe that communication is the key. I think communication is the key. We need to start communicating more. Let's just start communicating more. Let's have more conversation.
Hey guys, it's the Jackson sisters, Layla and Nikki. Today we have a special guest,
Mommy.
and today we're going to be making some slime.
Yes, so we have here the ultimate slimy glue. Now, we've made slime before, but we've never done it like this. So girls, y'all ready? So I'm look at the directions, and according to the directions, we need some warm water and some things that's to dispose of to put the stuff in. So give me a second. So what we're gonna do here is in the first one, we're all gonna get 25 milliliters. In the package, it gave us this little measuring cup, and we're gonna put the water in. Not yet. So everybody's gonna get 25 milliliters of this. So pour this in your bowl. And then you're gonna get a scoop. Like don't use a spoon to stir it because it's gonna get wet and it'll be hard for us to measure it out. So you get a spoonful of this. And then you take yours. Same thing here, 25 milliliters.
Is this good?
Put this in your little container. Yeah, that's good. And then use that little plastic knife to stir it. Because what you're supposed to do is once you get it, you pour it in the water and you stir it. But we're not going to use the plastic spoon to stir it.
Using plastic.
Here, we're going to use that because we need the plastic spoon. So go ahead and scoop one out.
Yeah, and then pour it.
Put that in there. Yep. And then I'm going to put mine. I wonder how big these are going to be.
Yeah.
It looks like it's a tiny bit of water. We're going to see right now. Hold on, let me get my borax. What's it, borax or whatever? Okay, so yeah, we're gonna stir it with our knife. We're gonna make sure it's dissolved. So once y'all don't see, it looks like a foggy type of liquid. Y'all see that yet? Is it fully dissolved yet?
Yes.
You mixing it real good, Nikki? Yeah, mine's getting there. Okay, the second one, you're supposed to create the glue solution. It says fill a second cup with 25 milliliters of warm water and a glue of choice in the second cup of warm water. And then you stir until the glue is mixed in. So
since I'm using the big white glue.
Okay, so we're gonna take
you have to let it
my
sit.
glue. So
oh my gosh, it's coming out in a big blob. I got some bubbles. I have a big blob. Mommy, you say it. Why you say it? Ew.
Good job, Layla. And just take this, and I'm gonna wipe this off since it has that solution on there. So you can mix it real good, and go ahead and mix the water with that. So go ahead and put that in there. You put what you want in there. Go ahead.
I'm not gonna add too much of the cream.
Yeah, don't add too much of the cream.
Because there's not.
And put your silver in there.
That's glittery.
I know. Then you'll put some of that blue dye in there, girl.
This looks like some gray. Start with a little bit of drops. I don't know how dark it's gonna turn.
So go ahead and mix that up, girl. Ooh, look, Nikki.
I like it.
I like it.
It's like
it do look like the galaxy, don't it?
It's like glitter now, though.
So go ahead, mix it together.
I mix it now.
Hey, Tyson.
Hey. I like it.
Okay. Get stiff pretty quick.
What does it feel like? Ooh. It's so comfy.
This is not supposed to happen, y'all. So, let's see, Nikki. Okay, mix it up.
It's okay. It's not. It's just watery. Like, ooh, the water just.
You need help? Let me see. Yeah. Let's keep stirring. See, it comes together.
Nikki's is looking better though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mommy, that's mine.
Yes, it is.
I
Are you gonna?
All right, so let me try mine. So far, we failed 2 out of 3. We got extra clumpy over here and extra watery over here. So let's see what happens with mine. Lord, please, man.
Oh, Nikki's is coming together.
You want to stir mine? Mine might eventually come. I think mine's coming together now too. Look, but it's still wet though. So I'm not sure if it's something else I need to do, put in here or what. Let me touch yours. It's better. Just keep stirring it.
Comment down below if you have did this before, and comment if it turned out if it was false or was it good.
Was it
Because if it was
fail
good
or
for you,
was
just
it
comment
a
down
good
below,
slime?
and we can do this again. You can tell us what to do.
That.
If
But
y'all
like,
if y'all know how to make this, can y'all tell us how to do it?
Hers is looking good. It's just wet.
it's just wet. But look, but just keep stirring it. But look, when we did this one, this white one right here, it's just like a hard clump of glue.
And it's slippery.
And you can't stretch it out or nothing. You touch it, it's
It
just
breaks.
a wet, hard glob.
Mom.
What? It's just like, it's horrible, okay? So I'm not gonna blame the company at all. I'm thinking that we did something wrong. And we try to correct it and do it again, but it's just, look at this.
Mine is really
Look at that,
sticky, guys.
This is not slime, y'all. What is this? What does it look like? Oh, you know what this looks like? You know when you chew a piece of gum
Oh yeah.
and you take it out of your mouth? This looks like a hard, like a gum you've been chewing for like all day or whatever. And you
But why would it have glitter?
Coming together though, that's good.
Is it coming
Is that
together?
jiggly?
It's just jiggly.
Okay, so do y'all count that as a success?
Let's keep mixing it and see.
Okay, so
This
we
one is
have.
starting not to be gooey. It's probably just because it was in the bowl and then a little bit of wet stuff.
Okay,
It's getting good,
It's going
mommy.
to get good. Okay.
Why this one is a success. This
Okay,
one.
okay.
That one was a fail.
This is a fail. We're gonna call this with wad of gum. We're gonna call this the gum fail. What we gonna call this?
A fail.
This is a fail.
Guys, this is mine.
And I'm gonna add some beads.
And look at so is yours? You think yours is a success?
Success.
A success? Okay. Now you can add like the beads and stuff you wanted to add.
This is
earlier.
mine now.
Now don't add glitter or nothing like that
No.
because it can
No,
get,
because
it can get messy and all over the place right now. So just add.
that looks like glitter glue.
You can add the beads.
Ooh! But that's good. There's another one though.
Everybody said.
Can I open the Orbeez? Can I open these mommies? I'm adding. How do you open them?
And mommy, can I have this slime?
You can have that.
She don't really like slime either.
Yeah, she doesn't like.
But she's our supervisor.
Now,
Well, this is my thing. I don't have a problem with slime. I just
it's
want to
just
know.
like too messy and stuff.
I don't know why the kid make it.
I just want to know if you guys tell us in the comments below.
And
What
guys,
is good about slime? What do you love about slime?
That's satisfying. Sometimes if you add this, it's
I
really satisfying and relaxing.
It's relaxing. Okay. Please said it doesn't stretch.
It doesn't stretch. If I stretch it, it's gonna break. So I'm not gonna stretch it.
We know we can do slime better than this, where it's like stretchy and
So
all
like,
these other
good.
things. Okay, you guys, we're gonna wrap this up. We thank you guys for watching us do our slime fail, but we just thank you. Go ahead,
And
Mike.
make sure you subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you get notified every every time we post a new video, and make sure you give us a big like.
Yes, please do that.
And tell us how y'all make slime.
Right. And then
Yes.
we'll do another video and we will make it right. So please give us a thumbs up on this thing. So we thank y'all. God bless y'all. Everybody, let's say peace.
Peace.
Team Jackson.
You know, let's just have more conversation. Because, you know, like, at the end of the day, I mean, both of us, you know, shit.